So if you want green carbon, you go with the Brabus G800 Super Green or something like that. See? Green Brabus parts. Maybe it's environmentally friendly. What's it say? Environmentally friendly. And is the wing new? This is like new. Oh yeah, the whole hood is carbon. Oh, it's green carbon. It's funny. And the front spoiler is carbon. Green carbon. I'm not sure about that.